In WPResidence, you aren't stuck with just one layout. You have 4 flexible ways to showcase your listings, giving you total control over your user's browser experience. Option 1 is the standard page template. This is your fast track option. It's perfect if you need a clean classic list up running in seconds, but it's not basic. You can add a custom hero media, image, web, or property slider. You can choose the sidebar to be left or right. You can let users toggle between list and grid views, and even preview properties in a quick view model without leaving the page. Option 2 is the properties list directory page. This is designed for users who need advanced filtering by specific categories, types, counties, cities, or areas. It adds a robust sidebar where visitors can drill down by price, size, bedrooms, amenities, and more, even a specific keyword. Option 3 is the hard map layout, which combines property listings with an interactive map. The hard map layout gives you control over where the search form appears on the page, how many fields appear per row, whether users start in map view or list view, the position of the map on the left or on the right, and whether the footer is displayed. As users filter results, both the list and the map update dynamically, creating a modern app-like browsing experience. Before we wrap up, let's quickly look at how you can customize the listing card unit design used across your property lists. WPResidence includes a drag-and-drop listing card unit composer, which lets you control exactly what information appears on each property card. You can choose which fields are displayed, reorder them visually, and align the content to match your layout. You can also add custom icons to card units, making it easier for users to scan key details such as price, size, bedrooms, or special features. The same card design can be used across different listing pages, whether you're using page templates, Elementor build lists, or the hard map layout. Card units can also display save to favorites and compare icons, and you can highlight listings with a featured tag, allowing featured properties to stand out or appear first in your list. From quick templates to custom Elementor designs and interactive maps, WPResidence lets you build the exact experience your business needs. Thank you for watching. Check the description for links to demos of each layout.